講故事。
OK。
爺爺講安德魯王子的故事第一集1960到1977。安德魯王子生於1960年，是英女王的第3個孩子。哥哥查爾斯王子比他大12歲，姐姐安妮公主比他大10歲。
My lovely baby Andrew。
被視為英女王最鍾愛的孩子。
Come on, Susan. Go, Susan.
4歲時，弟弟愛德華王子出世。
I'm the older brother now. Mom, the doll looks silly.
Yes, it does look a bit funny, doesn't it?
Where are we going, Annie?
We're going to visit Grandma. Our horse should be able to win this race.
What a lovely day for a family gathering, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's wonderful to see everyone together.
女王一家溫馨留影。安德魯王子被形容為非常有自信。
We are the Cowboy Prince.
I am Prince Andrew, second in line to the throne.
哦，好听。请订阅、分享、同点赞。Thank you very much.